I think puppies are here with Crazycraft 2.0. Yay! Yeah, I'm doing Crazycraft. Crazycraft. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we should get some wood. Yeah. Okay, getting wood. Achievement gotten. But this is on the Void Draft launcher. I'll leave the description. I'll leave the launcher site in the description if you want to go check it out. They make us pretty cool mods. Kill you, cow. I want to morph into you. Okay, so and there's a lot of mods. Doesn't look like a lot. Well, I mean, I don't know. Like, well, 36 doesn't look a lot, but trust me, it's a lot. You might be saying. Okay. So, not easy. Oh no. Not the wasp. I'm gonna make a sword to kill the bird. Because I'm pretty sure you can fly as morphed. Ooh! Can I fly? Oh. I'm pretty sure rubies are way better. A ruby sword is way better than in whoa. From like 4 attack damage to 13. That's awesome. Here, I can fly. Wait. True, because you die a lot in this pack. Trust me. Ooh, okay, so we need string. Trust me. Okay. Ooh, I'll keep that there. We'll probably travel far. Ooh, jungle temple. Okay, let me turn my yeah. Okay, there. Yeah. I'll take that unless there's a better pick. If it'll open. Oh, what? Okay. Take these, take this, take this. Okay. Okay, I'll take that bed. Ah. Take this. Taking everything. Okay, so I'm gonna get this cobble. Okay. I don't want you, pickaxe. Not you, I want you, I don't know. Okay, so I don't want to go down there. I mean, out there. I want to go to the bottom. Bottom. Where? How do I? Okay, it's that. Are you running? Why are there chipmunks down here? Whatever. I don't want you. Ooh. Hmm. 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 Oh, that's good. It is the food. This is good stuff. Okay. Get where is everything? I mean, oh, okay, I'll take a satchel. Ooh, enchantment table. I'll go get that. Wait, don't touch me, zombie. Ew. Okay, food. Pretty sure it's really good. Ooh, I'll build my house out of bricks, I guess. Maybe. Boom, ba-da. We need mushrooms too. I'm gonna say that. Well, I'm not gonna run out of food anytime soon. When did he have strength? Ooh. Like I'm taking everything. Most of this stuff I'm taking because I don't want to go to the nether and get it. Okay. And yeah. You know what? I want to build a bunch of cool stuff. Judge. I'll break blocks like this now. Okay, a bunch of those mobs are scaring me. Okay. Haven't found anything. I have found. Oh, I got 2 iron. I just need 1 more and then I have a... Okay. Okay. No. Oops. Thank you so much. Quartz. Which quartz the candle? Wait. Candle. Candle. Oh my gosh. How? That was strange, considering it took like all my health. So, okay, I'm going to take this quartz and leave. Okay. Gosh, that's the only thing I don't like. How your health is. Okay. Okay. I think it's yeah. I always find these leading into a cave. Or I'm in a cave. I don't know. I really don't know. All I know is I'm getting iron. And I'm looking for this to go to bed. I'm a little birdie sleeping in a bed. Okay, where should I... I'm looking for a place to build my house already. What? Ugh, okay, so I don't want to use redstone. Like all of these take redstone. And I only have 2 redstone blocks I need. Okay. Apple. Okay. So, I think I have... Is that a plains? I think I saw... Yeah. Over here. Yes, yes, yes. And I don't care if I'm wasting iron. I need a wool. That's really useful. Never needed more wool in my life. Okay. Okay. 26. I want to build my house in the sky. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Okay. Now, do I have enough chiseled? Okay, so I can make, that's good. Let me put this down. Now, let me make, okay. Hopefully that's enough. Uh, okay. So, okay, so 15. Hopefully it'll be enough. If not, then that's sad. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess I'll make these. Okay, I like this. Let me just throw this in there. Do I have enough? Oh. Okay, well, I think I'm going to wrap this video up. And yeah, bye. I believe I can fly.